Runway is a web AI generation tool that is super powerful. And within a few minutes, I'm going to show you a general overview of the program. I uploaded a welder, and in that welding image, I wanted to be able to have the welder wave. They included all the sparks and the welding and all types of things that I didn't ask for. I was really surprised. Based on the plan you have a certain amount of credits. My advice to you, if you're just beginning with Runway, is to go ahead and use the free account with the 125 credits before you upgrade. And then when you upgrade, you're going to pay a monthly fee for the standard plan. So in this example, it cost me 25 credits for 5 seconds. Now, if you want to make a full movie, you're just going to have to do the math and try to figure that out. What I learned is you got to bring your own story. So BYOS. I took my robot that I 3D printed named Popolo, and it's an animated series that I'm making using character animator and some stop motion. So I'm using a couple different techniques, and I just wanted to see what AI can do. So I uploaded an image of Popolo, and I just said, why don't we go ahead and make him dance? And also with a background of old robot parts. So this cost me 25 credits. Runway turned around his hands. But what I learned with this is I better have my robot done completely because obviously this cost me 25 credits, but I really didn't get the background that I wanted. I'm kind of wishing that I just put him in the background in the first place, which makes me think, again, this is bring your own story. If you go ahead and put an image with the green screen, it didn't remove this green screen. Now, that may have been my problem in not telling Runway's chat, similar to GBT, to say, also remove the green screen. So it really makes me think that you have to have everything planned out before you use a tool like this. So if I go up to the dashboard here, I can generate an image, I can generate video, but over on the left-hand side, you can see that I can just start a session, which may involve a bunch of things. So if I go to generate video, there is a chat-like experience that you direct Runway to do what you want to do. Now, I started with 625 credits at the beginning of this demo, and now I am down 25 for the robot, and I'm down 60 to make that welder wave. So I only have a certain amount of credits left for the month, so I can't imagine what this would cost. Now, when you select all tools, you can get a really nice overview of some of the things that you can do. With ALF, you'll be able to add rain to video you have. You can create an image. You can make a video based on a driving video, a video of animation that you want. So I could basically have someone running and say, animate Popolo based on this run cycle. You can also generate an image very similar to GBT. So ALF is really important if you want to be able to change the video. So I would upload the video, and then in chat, I would tell it what I want to do. Subscribe. I have more videos coming out with Runway and other AI tools, including Mid-Journey and animation. So if you're wanting to animate using AI generation tools, we're going to work together on that. Peace out.